So I received this in the mail today. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 cases from iBlazon. Now iBlazon normally always send me a case when it comes down to like a big flagship phone. And here's their website. I throw a link in the description. So they have the Note 20 cases out and available. I think this one here is pre-order. So you guys remember I unboxed some cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max before it even came out, or before it was even announced. I got those cases and unboxed them. We're going to do the same thing here on this video. Oh, matter of fact, I don't even need that. I have a pull tab. Alright, so it's 4 cases. I guess there's no model in here. I thought it would be like a little Samsung dummy to test out the cases. This is, I'm looking for the Cosmos series. Yeah, this is the Cosmos series. I think this is my favorite one. Let's do that last, matter of fact. Let's see what's inside of this one. So the Note 20, guys. What do you guys think? Yay, nay, dope, nope. Let me know. So yeah, so if you guys watch my iPhone 11 video showcasing the iBlazon cases, it's basically the same thing, but just on the Note 20. Wait, separating front casing from the rear case. Oh, okay. All right, so it's a 2-part case. I wish I could test them out, man. Oh my God, they should have sent me a dummy. At least we could see a little size comparison between the 11 Pro Max versus the Note 20. I mean, this is an inaccurate comparison, but nonetheless, I digress. Alright, next up. Now, am I going to get the Note 20? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I am not going to get the Note 20. At first, I was going to get it. Wait a minute. So one of them is the Note 20 Ultra, and one of them is just the Note 20. Because this one here looks a little bit more wider. In terms of the screen ratio, this just has a better ratio. Damn, this is a big phone. This holding the case, yeah, this is definitely bigger than the 11 Pro Max. Like, wow, this is gonna be a big phone. I wish I could feel it in my hands, but hey. So yeah, I was gonna get the Note 20 to review it for you guys, but I can't get the Note 20 and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. I just can't do it. I'd rather get the Z Fold 2, pre-order that. That's going to probably be $2,000. I just can't get both, man. I'm willing to expand my channel out a little bit more other than just iPhone stuff. I know you guys subscribe to see iPhone stuff, but the Android market is getting really, like, they're getting up there now. For example, this has the S Pen, the iPhone doesn't. You have the Pixel 4a, that costs $350. The iPhone SE costs $400. So it's just, like, the Android has that uniqueness. If I was getting the phone, I probably would have hold out this video. And then when I get the phone in hand, I would unbox these. But since I'm not getting the phone anyway, it doesn't really make sense for me to just hold these. I'm not saying the Note is going to be trash. I'm just saying I'd rather put my money towards the Galaxy Z Fold 2. I think that's going to be a better bang for my buck. Now, if you guys want these cases, just hit me up. I'll send them to you. If you guys don't mind, I should just keep the plastic on there. But let me just show you guys how the case looks. Yeah, this is my favorite right here. Now, they do offer like the green one. I like the green one better. But for the ladies, you guys are going to love this one. But matter of fact, this is perfect because Samsung announced the Mystic Bronze. So that bronze color and this bronze case with the, yeah, this is it. And you got the bronze front. This is going to be perfect for the Galaxy Note 20. And of course, you have your cutouts on the bottom. So you have your S Pen. You have your speaker grill, and you have your Type-C port, and I'm not sure, I think this is the microphone hole. And you have your side button here. I wonder what this button, oh, this is the lock button, and this is the volume up and down. And also keep in mind, this doesn't have a built-in screen protector. If you guys watch my iPhone 11 one, it does have a screen protector built in on the iPhone version, but surprisingly not on the Samsung. This is pretty much the same exact thing, but this is for the Galaxy Note 20. And this is for the Note 20 Ultra. I would love to get both, but it's too much money. Like, too much money for both. You guys see the price of the Note, and you can't even get the basic standard Note. You just can't do it. You got to get the Note 20 Ultra. Just don't do that to yourself. And also, I realized there's a cutout on the top, too. I just missed that. And also, same thing with here. You have the same cutouts. No screen protector. You have your side button, your volume up and down. Same exact thing. But this phone here is massive. Just holding the case alone is just like, it holds in it holds in my iPhone 11 Pro Max like that. That's how big this phone is. How much is that? That's like $4,000. Like if you get the Fold and the Note 20 Ultra, forget about it. So I hope you guys understand. The least I can do if you are planning on getting a Note 20, I'll give these away. And I'll be happy to ship these to you guys. But hey, thank you guys so much for watching. These are the Note 20 cases from iBlazon. This is the Cosmos series. And I forgot what series this is. The Eris series? I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, I love the Cosmos series. That's a classic. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. If you guys did enjoy, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 unboxing. Whenever that becomes available for pre-order, I'll get that as soon as I can. And also, make sure you guys vote if you guys want to see some Pixel 4a videos. You know, I'm happy to really expand my content into the Android side a little bit, and then get back into the Apple one back in, in September when they announced the iPhone 12. Alright guys, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on, and make sure you guys thumbs up the video, help me out a bunch, and comment down below what you guys think.